Do you need to improve your credit score fast? A low credit score can make it harder to get approved for loans, credit cards, or even a mortgage, but fixing your credit doesn't have to take years. With the right steps, you can boost your score quickly and qualify for better financial opportunities. The first step is checking your credit report. Many people have errors on their reports that lower their score without realizing it. Use free services like Credit Karma, Experian, or annualcreditreport.com to review your history. Look for incorrect balances, late payments you didn't make, or accounts you don't recognize. If you find errors, dispute them immediately. Even small mistakes can cost you points. Another way to raise your score quickly is paying down your credit card balances. Your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your limit, affects up to 30% of your score. Keeping utilization below 30% is ideal, but lowering it under 10% can improve your score even faster. Making multiple payments throughout the month instead of waiting for your due date can also help. If you have missed or late payments, bring all accounts current immediately. Even one late payment can drop your score significantly, but consistently making on-time payments helps rebuild it fast. Setting up automatic payments ensures you never miss a due date. If you've recently missed a payment, contact your lender and request a goodwill adjustment to remove the late mark. Many creditors do this for long-term customers. Another way to boost your credit is by increasing your credit limit. If you have a good payment history, request a credit limit increase from your bank or card issuer. A higher limit lowers your credit utilization, which can raise your score instantly. Just be careful not to rack up more debt. This only works if you keep spending low. If your bank won't increase your limit, opening a new credit card can also expand your available credit. If you have little or no credit history, consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This lets you inherit their positive payment history, instantly adding years of credit experience to your report. Choose someone with a high credit score and low utilization for the best results. Another strategy is getting a credit builder loan or secured credit card. These tools help rebuild credit by making small, manageable payments that are reported to the credit bureaus. A credit builder loan is repaid over time, while a secured credit card requires a deposit but works like a regular card. Using either responsibly can improve your score within months. To speed up the process, avoid applying for too many new credit accounts at once. Every time you apply for a credit card or loan, lenders do a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. Too many inquiries in a short period make lenders see you as a risky borrower. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Another overlooked trick is negotiating to remove negative marks from your credit report. If you have old collections or charged-off accounts, contact the creditor and negotiate a pay-for-delete agreement. This means paying off the debt in exchange for removing the negative record. Some creditors agree to delete items, instantly improving your score. For an extra boost, report rent and utility payments to the credit bureaus. Services like Experian Boost allow you to add these bills to your credit history. If you've been consistently paying rent, phone, or utility bills, this can help build positive payment history. Fixing your credit score fast is about reducing debt, making on-time payments, and using smart credit strategies. Even if your score is low now, consistent action can lead to major improvements in just a few months. The sooner you start, the faster you'll qualify for better credit cards, lower interest rates, and financial freedom. Take control today and unlock new financial opportunities.